What's good, guys? This is my first preset video that I'm putting out on YouTube. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of sick, but I'm still gonna get videos out. You know that, right? I'm gonna show y'all my Yvngxchris preset, and this is a song I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna post it on my archive account on SoundCloud. You know, it's a little snippet or something, but like I'm gonna show it to you.
That little nigga was looking too tough. 30 shots I made a Scott. You live with your parents, you a fucking bum. I spot out, I've been rushing for fun. These niggas be hating, I make them run. 50 shots, he gets it to the side. Nigga turned down, get hit in his gut. Sip on the walk, got mad at my cop. She said I'm lazy, I don't give a fuck. That bitch on my dick and she eat it up. Making the money, can't get enough. Like Michael Jackson, I beat it up. Take a perk when the sun is out, and I take an X when the sun is down. That whole ammunition, don't play around.
You know, she kinda go crazy, can't front. But I'm gonna show you my Yvngxchris preset. If you can't keep up, just pause. And then I'm gonna show you this preset, the one that goes like this.
Things be hating, I make them run.
Shit goes so crazy, bro. Like I said, if you can't keep up, just pause. And then I'm gonna show y'all the preset that makes a beat go like in and out. Like that's my, it's like a what you call it? It's like a, it goes with my autumn preset, which I'm gonna make a video later in the week. But you could put it like when I rap on these like kind of Yvngxchris beats with the sample. I put the sample before the beat drop on this preset, and it just goes so crazy. Like you could actually look. I'm gonna record something. Whoa! Look, it's better so far. Alright, forget about that. But I'm gonna show you the preset. Alright, that's it for the presets, and I'm gonna show you what it sounds like again.
That little nigga was looking too tough. 30 shots I made a Scott. You live with your parents, you a fucking bum. I spot out, I've been rushing for fun. These niggas be hating, I make them run. 50 shots, he gets it to the side. Nigga turned down, get hit in his gut. Sip on the walk, got mad at my cop. She said I'm lazy, I don't give a fuck. That bitch on my dick and she eat it up. Making the money, can't get enough. Like Michael Jackson, I beat it up. Take a perk when the sun is out, and I take an X when the sun is down. That whole ammunition, don't play around.